Dear student, how are you? Thank you all. It's all right. You all know that at present coronavirus has been spread all over the world of the country. As a result, your study is going to telephone. By considering your site, the government of our country has been taken necessary step to develop your study by the online class. I am an assistant headmaster of Miling High School, Nawabganj, Dhaka. My name is Budiar Rahman. I am going to arrange a online class for the students of class 8, 9 and 10. It's all right. Follow the board. Today's lesson is passage narration. Today's lesson is passage narration. Follow the board. What is passage narration? Number 2. How many parts of passage narration? Number 3. Which conjunction can we apply to make indirect narration? To make indirect narration from the direct narration. Number 4. How can we sense the direct narration? Follow the board. How can we sense the direct narration? Number 5. How can we sense the subject? All the students follow the board. Number 1. What is passage narration? Number 2. How many parts of passage narration? And what are they? How many parts of passage narration and what are they? Number 3. which conjunction can we apply to make direct narration from indirect narration? To make the direct narration from the indirect narration. Number 4, how can we change the direct narration? Number 5, how can we change the subject? What is passage narration? All the students follow the word. What is passage narration? Passage narration means some kinds of joining sentence. It may be assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. It may be joined any kinds of person names such as Rohim, Korim, Sheila, Neela, and others name in the reported piece. It may be joined in the reported piece any kinds of addressing word such as father, mother, sister, uncle, aunt. All kinds of words may be joined in the inverted comma. Number 2, there are two parts of passage narration. There are two parts of the passage narration. It's all right. There are two parts of the passage narration: reporting verb and reported piece. Number 3, which conjunction can we apply to make the direct narration from the indirect narration? Follow. In order to make the indirect narration, we can apply such kinds of conjunction: if, whether, that, to, according to the rules of grammar, according to the rules of sentence, according to the rule of grammar, and according to the rule of sentence. We have to apply all kinds of conjunction. It may be if, whether, that, to. Number 4, how can we change the direct narration? It's all right. In order to make the indirect narration, we have to change the direct narration according to the grammatical rule and according to the sentence. We will have to find out from your mind what kinds of sentence it is. It's all right. Such as you will have to change the direct narration according to the rules of grammar and according to the sentence. Number 5, how can we change the subject? Remember you that what kinds of participle piece is applied in the repeated piece if the subject is first person. If the subject is first person, I, we will have to change it. You will have to change it according to the subject of the repeating verb. If the subject is second person in the repeated piece, you will have to change it according to the object. You must be second person. So in order to make it indirect, you will have to change it. You will have to change the repeated piece subject according to the repeating verb object. Repeating verb object. If the subject in the repeated piece is third person or any kinds of person name, it need no sense. It need no sense. Follow the vote. Will you go to college today? Said my father. Said my father. No. I am ill today. So I shall not go to college today. Said my father, have you eaten said my father, have you eaten any kinds of medicine? Yes. Follow the vote. Will you go to college today? Said my father. Here repeated piece. Will you go to college today? And here repeating verb. Said my father. Repeated piece may be joined. Yes, no. Any kinds of person's name or any kinds of addressing word. It's all right. Today's lesson, it is your homework. It is your homework. It's all right. It's all right. Thank you all. I wish your success and good health. Thank you all.